Hello everyone, welcome to Quantum Guruji. This is one general video where just I will talk about myself. I'll just share some of the details about me, like what I do, where I work, and what is the purpose of shooting this video, and what was the thought behind starting Quantum Guruji. So just to start with. My schooling was from CBSE board in Haryana, and after that I joined University of Delhi in 2011 sometime, and I did chemistry honors from University of Delhi. And after my BSc chemistry honors, I did MSc in chemical sciences from Pondicherry University. And before that, I had some in my BSc itself, I had some courses in computational chemistry where I was exposed to these, chemical tools and all this stuff. When I went to Pondicherry University, there I was more exposed to all these DFT calculations and the quantum chemistry and the advanced quantum chemistry. It was like kind of, like I thought like this is my future. I want to work in this area. So it was so interesting for me. And mostly the quantum chemistry, that higher advanced quantum chemistry, will be introduced in the MSc second year or first year sometime, and not in that much details. But Pondicherry University are in like one of those universities where quantum chemistry is taken in those in advanced form. From the molecules to materials, you will learn everything. So it was great opportunity for me to learn all those tools, ways, method, and chemistry behind all this stuff. And in the same time, like while doing my MSc, I started working on graphene oxide in computational chemistry laboratory, and it was chemical information sciences laboratory in the Pondicherry University chemistry department under Professor M. Balakrishna Rajan. So I joined there and started working, and it was like the entire year, 6 months for laboratory, and another 1 year for my project work. So it was very interesting for me, and I did a lot of work on graphene oxide in my masters. And after finishing my master's degree, like I was into the PhD. Okay, so I thought, okay, yeah, I did some, good work in a master's, so I will just carry forward this work for my PhD. So there itself, I joined for PhD in computational chemistry under Professor M. Balakrishna Rajan, and I did my PhD in chemical bonding of graphene oxide, and I explored, so many ways for different perspective of graphene oxide, like bonding interactions, band structure, electronic properties, and functional groups, and so many other things we explored there. So it was a great journey for me, and also great journey to learn and understand so many things in the quantum chemistry. Specifically, we do calculations, and there in that laboratory we were not performing huge calculation. First we decide what calculation is important to perform, because see, here we are not using solvent which will be costing, right? But the still time is money here. Whatever calculation we are putting, it costs time, right? So unnecessarily, if we can run calculation, if the system is free, there is no problem. But still there should be some theory or some rationale behind submitting calculation and performing a calculation. So there we were we were taught first to design your system molecule, and then predict, and then do the calculation, and then analyze it, and then match with your prediction whether it is following or not. If it is following, then that's fine. If it is not following your rationale, then find out the reason behind that. Okay, and we grown up using this culture. And Yeah, in after finishing my MSc, like I created a few websites for my own purpose. And during my PhD, I thought that okay, I will share my all of my journey and the problems like what we face in theoretical calculations. So I thought I will share all these things after finishing my PhD. Last year in January, I finally decided, like I submitted my thesis, PhD thesis, and then I had some free time. So I decided, okay, I will start my channel, and there I'll discuss about my, the quantum chemistry, uh, how I started my journey in the quantum chemistry for the theoretical calculations. So then, I came up with this channel, and then this quantum guruji. So I don't know that time. I don't have any idea for the name for this channel. Initially, I was thinking what to put the name for this channel. Then I don't know from where I got this idea of putting quantum guruji, and then slowly it started gaining popularity. And in a year, I got more than 2.8K of subscribers and good number of followers. And soon after 1 year, my channel was monetized, and it shows that people are liking the videos and the content also. And daily, I'm getting hundreds of email for collaborations, for some kind of doubt, or for different things. So, I just want to say that people find this channel interesting. Not only it shows the tutorials for pertaining to the calculation, it also gives you the analysis. So, beginners in the field of theoretical chemistry, or the experimental chemists who are working for they want some small theory just to support their experimental data. So this channel is kind of uh, plus point for them. So even if they just follow the path that I'm discussing here, they will get their desired products, and that will help their manuscript for publication like this. Not only that, if you are a beginner in this area, it will be helpful for you to learn the way to do calculation, the analysis. So here I cannot discuss in detail, okay, because the people start finding it boring. So started making 5 minutes, 10 minutes videos for small tutorials pertaining to the different kind of calculations in Gaussian and Little Studio. And slowly, now I'm thinking that I'll start one more, in this channel itself. I'll start talking about the theory portion in the quantum chemistry. I will discuss about the basic thing in quantum chemistry, starting from Schrödinger equation. Then slowly I will go up to the higher level. So that is my future plan, that I will start for the theory portion of this calculations also. Not only that, I'm thinking that right now I'm just putting small videos, tutorials, and the analysis. Right now I'm putting just to help you out from the problem. See, it takes years to understand the problem. I cannot discuss in a small time entire analysis thing, because you will encounter various problem, and it's not easy to discuss all those problems here. So I selectively take the problems where people encounter, or suppose somebody is getting some problem and they are sending me email, and they expect me to talk on the video about those problem. So I make tutorials on that topic. So that is the way I work here. And after finishing my PhD, that journey, I joined ISER Mohali, Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Mohali, Chandigarh. So it's an institute in Punjab. Okay, it's a good institute. So I joined here for postdoctoral scientist. So currently I'm here, and this is my small office. So I work from here, and in my free time, whenever I'm free, so I make some small tutorials based on the request, or based on some people put in the comment section that I want this tutorial, that kind of tutorial. So I make small tutorials on those specific problems. So this is all about me, and right now I do research on different areas, kinetics, reaction mechanism, and electronic or thermodynamic properties of materials, peroxide solar cell materials, EDF materials, and so many things I am working on. Like having collaboration with so many people around the globe, it's you get more, your area will be more wider, right? So my area is not just fixed in a small cube. Actually, due to collaborations and the people like you, like I have to go and open my thinking in the different areas. So that's the way I'm working in various areas. My PhD was in materials, okay, graphene oxide, the chemical bonding, the fundamentals of graphene oxide. And at the same time, I had collaborations with some other groups. And there I started working for corrosion related stuff, and then slowly I moved to metal oxides for sensing purpose, and then started working for carbon organic framework, metal organic framework. And so it started the journey in my PhD, and now recently I have based on all this journey, it helped me, like especially me in my career, to learn so many things right now. Even like there are so many things like I'm learning from you guys, because you are telling just make the videos on this area, and to specific things, so I have to learn, right? And then I present in a precise way here. So that also helped me in gaining my uh, some knowledge in that area. Apart from that, like this channel boosted me like anything, because yes, when you are free, and your dear colleagues, they are having some problem. And there was one more thing actually, to the like to start this channel. There was one more interesting reason for starting this channel, because see, every year I was getting dozens of students for teaching, not only teaching for for project roles also. So it was kind of so every time you have to, like, two persons are there, then you have to teach everything again, more students are there coming one by one, and it was very difficult for me to teach same thing again and again within a month. So I thought, okay, I will make some tutorials and I'll upload it somewhere, then like they will go through it, then I will start after that. And that was also my one reason to start this channel. And till now, like that is very helpful for me also, because every year there will be dozens of students for internship, or for some kind of training they will be coming, and it will be helpful for them as well as for me. So I'll save a lot of time. They can learn certain things from here, then I can start in the advanced version after that. So that is the way I work here. So that's all about me. If you want to have something specific, you wanted me to talk on some topic, like I already told you that soon I'm going to start some theory in the quantum chemistry, and also the theory behind DFT calculations, and all these things I will be taking soon. And if you have anything like specific that you wanted me to talk on that topic, you're welcome. You can put, uh, you can send me an email. Person, I'll put my email in the description, or you can put in the comment section, because no, I personally I go to each and every comment and reply whenever I get time. I go to the comment section and I reply to each and every comments. I never left even a single comment. So I try to see each and everything, because there are people, they are struggling to, and there are like nobody is there to help them. So I thought, okay, yeah, I'll just take it, because generally people won't share their whatever they know, especially at this level, PhD level. Generally, they try to avoid whatever they can. If you are asking anything, okay, they won't tell. They will simply tell, okay, I don't know, or okay, come tomorrow, I'll tell you. So I have also seen those kind of things, but I don't like this kind of attitude in at this level. So see, I know, if I know certain thing, I can share that will boost my knowledge. Okay, if you are learning, that is, there is no negative thing. People are thinking, okay, like I have to, like I took 1 year or 2 year to learn all these things, I cannot share this thing in 5 minutes for others. I have struggled for a year to learn this, and just free of course, I don't want to give it to somebody else. uh, I don't like those kind of attitude, and that's the reason I am just talk. See, you won't get any detailed analysis or tutorials on each and every topic, but I put it here without any hesitation. Even the people around me, they are telling like, okay, you took this much years to understand and learn these things, and why you are wasting your time and putting in the free on the YouTube? I just told them, I like just putting here the data and the the information. If you are thinking like it is wasting my time, no, it is boosting my information also, because so many things I have to study and then I have to present here. That is like way I'm gaining my knowledge. And other thing is I'm sharing the information that will not reduce my knowledge. Okay, that will also help others. And there are so many people around globe, and they need some small help, and they have small doubts, and they say that there is nothing wrong in helping them, right? And there are nobody to help them actually. So I thought I will just take, if like in free time, because everybody is working and they don't have time. So whenever I get time, I just put one video per week. So that's all about me. Thank you. And if you feel like the information the channel is doing good, you should share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. And there are, I guess there are 80% of viewers who haven't subscribed my channel. They are simply watching the videos and not subscribe. See, I'm not asking for any money or anything. At least you can subscribe my channel, and you can increase the readership. And see, it will just give me a kind of uh, it will act as a kind of catalyst in a chemistry sense. So I'll think, okay, I'm getting this much subscribers, viewers. Okay, so I should put more. I should work more for this, and I'll. Right now, I'm putting one videos per week. So if I'll get more, output from you guys also, I'll just start making more videos, and not just single videos. Maybe I'll put 2 videos per week, and also I'll try to put more details if you need. And soon I'll be live, and then we'll discuss one to one, like whatever issue you are having. So that maybe sometime I'll just float one flyer, and that time we can have a live video chat with the viewers, and whatever they have problem, we'll discuss one by one. Okay, so maybe I'm planning sometime this week or next week sometime we'll have a live session. Okay, there we'll discuss whatever problem you guys have. Okay, then take a break. Thank you for watching the video, and ta